In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export customers from Shopify on desktop. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file of your customer data ready for analysis, backups, or importing into another tool. Start by opening your desktop browser and signing into your Shopify admin. Once you're on the store dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Customers. This page shows all of your customer records and is also where you can search, apply filters, and select individual profiles if you need something specific. In the top right corner of the customer's list, click the Export button. This opens the export options, and choosing the right one here makes a big difference. If you want only what you're currently viewing, choose Current Page. It exports just the customers shown on that page. If you need everything, choose All Customers to export your entire customer list. If you've checked a few specific customers from the list, pick Selected Customers to export only those. And if you've applied filters, like a specific tag, location, or order status, use customers matching your filters to export only the filtered results. A quick tip: apply your filters first, confirm the list looks right, and then select that filtered export option so you get exactly what you expect. Next, choose your CSV format. CSV for Excel, numbers, etc. is the easiest if you plan to open the file in a spreadsheet app like Microsoft Excel, Apple Numbers, or Google Sheets. It's formatted to play nicely with those programs. The plain CSV file option is a more bare-bones text format, useful if another system or developer specifically asks for a plain CSV without formatting adjustments. If you're unsure, the first option is usually the safest and most convenient. When you're ready, click Export Customers. If you're exporting up to around 50 customers, your browser will usually download the file right away. If nothing appears, check your browser's download tray or downloads folder. For larger lists, Shopify will send an email with a download link to your store admin email address. Give it a few minutes to arrive, and remember to check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it. Once downloaded, open the CSV to confirm the fields look correct. Because customer data can be sensitive, store the file securely and share it only with trusted team members who need access. That's it. Your customer export is complete and ready to use wherever you need it.